Hey everybody, it's John Houlihan with EZG Manufacturing. Today we're taking a brief look at the EZG compaction line. All right, now we're going to look at the forward plate compaction, the EFPC 70 and the EFPC 90. Both of them have Honda GX160 engines. On the left is the EFPC 70W, a centrifugal force of around 2,800 pounds with a gross operating weight of 163. On the right, the EFPC 90C has the Honda as well, and also has a downforce of 3,461 pounds. It comes in at 209 pounds and is our largest forward plate. And again, we have 2-year warranties on the engines and the 2-year full warranties on the units themselves. The EVPC 120 has been out in the public now for over 8 years, and it's the standard of roller compactors, and it's been copied by everybody else. It comes with the Honda GX160 engine, the 2-year Honda warranty, and then the EZG 2-year full warranty on all parts. The size and weight at 271 pounds, the hitch points, the lift points, everything about this is extremely convenient, and it works on large commercial projects as well as smaller homeowner projects. First, we'll start with the ERPC 150. It has a gross weight of 304 pounds, compaction force around 6,450 pounds. We've got the reliable Honda GX160 engine on it. With this package, you're going to get a 2-year warranty on your Honda. You get a full 2-year warranty on the machine. With EZG, you're going to have parts available for overnight shipping out of our Ohio location. Next, we'll move on to the ERPC 200. The compaction force on the 150 and the 200 are identical. What you've got different though is our larger base plate, and we've also got the larger Honda engine, so you've got over 8 horsepower. You still got the 2-year Honda warranty, the 2-year full warranty on the machine, and the parts and availability at EZG in Ohio.